Who doesn't love Pani Puri? Crispy puris, tangy spicy pani, and flavorful aloo masala come together to make the ultimate snack that's beloved across India and beyond. Today we are making Air Fryer Pani Puri, a healthier and equally delicious version of the iconic Indian snack loved by millions. No deep frying, no guilt, just perfectly crunchy puris filled with all the deliciousness you love. This recipe is not only healthier but also super easy to make at home. Are you ready to enjoy the ultimate street food right at home? Let's begin with the secret ingredient, our homemade Pani Puri masala. Start by toasting 1-inch cinnamon stick, 2-3 dried chilies, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 8 to 10 black peppercorns, and 8 to 10 cloves in a dry pan over medium heat. Toast for about 2 minutes or until the spices release their aromatic magic. Transfer them to a plate and let the spices cool slightly. Once cooled, transfer them to a mixing jar along with 1 teaspoon of regular salt, 1 tablespoon of dried mango powder, and a teaspoon of black salt. Grind to make a fine powder. And there you have it, flavor-packed Pani Puri masala that will elevate your Pani Puri to the next level. Now time for the star of the show, the tangy and spicy pani. Add 3 small green chilies to the mixing jar, then add a 1-inch piece of sliced ginger, 1 cup of fresh mint leaves, and half a cup of fresh coriander leaves, along with a splash of water. Blend until smooth. Juice 1 lemon. Place a strainer over a large mixing bowl and strain the mixture. Whether you are hosting guests or simply treating yourself, this recipe is for you. Add 2 cups of ice cold water to extract all the goodness. Don't discard the pulp, we will use it later for the filling. Add 2 more cups of ice cold water to the strained liquid. Add the lemon juice. Next, add the Pani Puri masala, black salt, Kashmiri red chili powder, roasted cumin powder, and amchur powder. Mix well to combine. Add jaggery powder and stir to combine. Mix in the bundi. Chill for about 30 minutes to blend the flavors. Now let's make those crispy puris. Preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Arrange the store-bought puris in a single layer in the air fryer basket and air fry at 175 degrees Celsius for about 2 minutes. You'll have the perfectly puffed golden puris without a drop of oil. Repeat until all the puris are ready. Set them aside on a wire rack to cool. After chilling, add the asafoetida or hing, chopped onions, chopped cilantro, and lemon slices to the pani for that extra burst of freshness. Mix well and refrigerate until ready to use. Let's move on to the filling. In a bowl, add 2 cups of boiled mashed potatoes. Add the reserved mint and coriander pulp, half a cup of boiled chickpeas, 1 teaspoon of Pani Puri masala, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, dry mango powder. Season with half a teaspoon of black salt, regular salt to taste, chopped coriander leaves, and 1/4 cup of finely chopped onions. Mash everything well. For added flavor, mix in 2 tablespoons of the prepared pani. Mash everything well, breaking the chickpeas slightly and taste to adjust the seasoning. And there you have it, air fry Pani Puri, ready to crunch into one. Now for the fun part, assembling. Carefully poke a hole in each puri. This recipe is not only healthier but also super easy to make at home. And fill it with the aloo masala. Add a small dollop of tamarind chutney for a tangy sweet twist. Just before serving, dip the filled puris into the chilled pani. Pop it in your mouth and let the explosion of flavors take over. Crispy, tangy, spicy, and sweet. Every bite is pure joy. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. See you next time.